Well, they finally brought the package. Btr CAMKIT. Look at my man, bruh. Out of there. Woo! Btr Racing. So what up, J-Ham fans? Told y'all I was gonna come back with y'all with another updated video when the cam got here. So it was supposed to come Wednesday or either Thursday, but a train has somewhat derailed in Chicago, Illinois. So they stopped the package, and then the next day, it got to Salt Lake City, Utah, and they had a snowstorm or blizzard, or whatever you want to call it. So it was like all kind of messed up. So yesterday morning, I heard the UPS truck pull up, and I heard it cut off real fast. So I looked out the window. So I said, gotta be the UPS truck. So it was. So I was on the phone with my cousin, hung up the phone, ran downstairs, got it. I put that in the video too, but the dude, he didn't want to be on camera, which I gotta respect that. But yeah, I got all that on video as it was coming in. But I'm gonna tell y'all a little bit how I got the cam so fast. I seen a little thing going on Facebook basically about like challenges and stuff. You get a certain amount of likes and comments and all that within a certain amount of time. Somebody gotta, you know, do something for you. So I made it to where my girl had to go half with me on the whole cam kit. And I won, and she did. So I got the cam kit. It was $711, and she went half with me. So she's thankful for that, or I'm thankful for that, and I want to thank her for that. She's the one who recording right now. Yeah, so yeah, I'm finna tell y'all everything that we got right now. I'm using Pop's car as a prop machine. We got the valve train components. Let's see what we got up in here. Y'all excuse the wind. I know it's probably coming windy a little bit. Valve train components. We got the valve springs. Let me see. So we got the valve springs. That's it. Oh, and the cam installation kit. You know, gaskets. You know, seal it back up. Btr Racing sticker. I don't know where to put this at yet. And then I forgot what boat this is. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, but a boat. And now I'll tell y'all everything else I got so far. I got the mount. The mounts of my car. Got these some AutoZone. I got the LSX Innovations swap. Last but not least, this thing right here weigh like 20 pounds, seem like something. I don't even see it yet, but it's so beautiful, y'all. I don't understand. Whew.
And what's that? Is that the cam?
Well, it's the cam. This is my first time ever looking at a cam.
What does the cam do?
You get it now? Look at it, y'all. This is... y'all don't understand. And this cam right here is like, let me see. But yeah, y'all stay tuned with your boy. The next thing coming, I'm trying to see if I should order the, what you call it? Dang it. The Trailblazer SS intake. I was doing some research on this, so that's one of the best stock intakes that you can use. It's actually more expensive than the LS6 intake. So, but it says one of the best stock intakes you can use, and before you get to using all $700 intakes and all that. I ain't trying to do all that. I mean, if y'all got anything to help me out with this whole build, you know, let this be a teaching moment for me from y'all. That's all I want from y'all, like a teaching moment. So if you see I'm messing up on some stuff, just go ahead and comment down below and just let your boy know. You know, I ain't the type of like, hey, get off my post, you know? None of that. I'm trying to learn just like y'all learn. So just let me know. But yeah, got the cam. Now we need the intake, the throttle body. and we're going to get the heads done. So, and that's it for the motor. I'm done with that. And then the gears and the stall. So that's about it, y'all. Y'all stay tuned with your boy, and don't forget, help me out with this build. I'm doing my research on my end, but I know some of y'all been in the car game forever, so help your boy out. It won't hurt. All right, guys. So we back again. I forgot to look a couple things, but hopefully I make the deadline as of May. Trying to make the LS Fest, like I told you guys previously. I already took off for it, but right now I'm still trying to order parts, and May kind of seem like it's kind of far away, but it's honestly like right there. So I'm trying to have it done like in the middle of April, because you know, once you get it done and running, you still got to get it tested and tuned and make sure everything is working properly like it should be. So that's about it, y'all guys. I just hope that it's able to be done by May, like I said in the first video. But if not, long as it get done. But the deadline is May, so it might get done a little later, probably like around June or July, if not May. But it is what it is. I'm making steps. You know, in this car game, everything don't always go as planned. That's what I had to learn from my pops and people who've been doing this for a long time. Stay tuned.